Palakpakan muna natin ang ating bride and groom.
To my love, 8 years and yet we're still here. I remember when I first saw you on the school grounds. You were running as the auditor of the student council.
I don't need a lot of things. I can get by with nothing. With all
Hindi kita mismo doon noon. But who would have thought na ikaw pala ang boto mo ngayon?
But I've got all I want when it comes to
My
love.
Cinderella, my princess, you are my moral compass, my northern star, my guiding light.
I need you like water, like breath, like light. I need you.
And now, the day has come where we become as one. I vow to always love you kahit anong mangyari. I vow to always support you on your future endeavors. I vow to always understand you, even at your masungit moments.
From now on, I vow to support you, our family, to love you and respect you, to cherish you, to protect you.
Wise men say.
Ikaw talaga ang the best. Thank you, Lord. Dahil binigyan ako ng anak na napakabait. Thank you. Congratulations, anak. Thank you.
Falling in love.
And offer you unwavering care and fidelity. I love you.
Shall I stay?
I love you and can't wait to spend the rest of my life starting today with you. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita.
If I can help falling in love with you.
Kaya kailan hindi mo binigyan ng sakit ng ulo, problema.
Happy ako na naging daughter kita. Para sa akin, isang ang perfectong anak.
Ako,
Kaya naiyak na.
alam ko, pinaghirapan mo na. Masaya ako para sa iyo. Napakabait mo na ako.
It's so amazing, 'cause that's just how you are. And I can't turn back now, 'cause you brought me to more. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gates. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you.
I want her to be part of my life until the end. Until the end.
I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gates. There's a freedom in your arms and it carries me through. I need you.
This man, I see him na katulad ko po. So, I can't wait to spend the rest of my life kasama ko siya.
I